It happened though. It is not story. It happened. I thank God that I left that place with just this. Hey! I can't believe that stupid girl did this to you. Okay, what happened? How am I supposed to know? Eh? How am I supposed to know? Do I have any business with that Mwakoda? The thing took me by surprise. It happened so fast. Before I knew what was happening, they gave me this uppercut. That girl thinks she will go unpunished this time. She cannot. It will take time, but she must surely pay for this. Eh? Oh, Gini Kwano. Hey! Please, I hope this thing will go down. No, it will go down now. You should have seen it when it happened. It was like this. But no, it's going down, don't worry. It will go. What wickedness? What wickedness? What of your mother? She went out a few minutes before you came. I don't even know where she went, sir. Has Cosmos been here? Yeah? He came up. He full speed with December. He ran like a deer from this place to go and deal with that idiot. It's okay, manage this. Manage this. See, I feel like going to that girl's house to beat her. I feel like going to that girl's house to show her who I am. What kind of problem? I'm not going to get on your Zuzu. And I'm not free and Oboda, I can have fear Dokas. Are we going to run away because her name is Dokas? Let's leave her. Mbiko, manage this one. Let me peel for you. Mbiko, don't bother yourself. Don't worry. Who range can be better? What kind of rubbish is this?
Here is the man. This is the man that assaulted me. Arrest him, officer. Arrest him. Arrest him.
Who? You're under arrest.
Police.
Who?
Mama.
You're under arrest.
Officer, Mama, Biko. What point working at this case? Remove yourself from this issue. Were you not the way he was beating me like an animal?
Dokas.
Dokas.
No, Dokas, you went to call a policeman to a family matter.
Oh, family matter, where? That's why you gave me family beating over there. This is family arrest. Officer, do your job.
Mama Biko. In fact, it's the night.
Shoot me instead. I want to die. Just shoot me.
Bros, do your job fast.
What is my family turning into now? Because Bishop, put the handcuff.
Family arrest. Bros, do your job very
well. Give me one.
Yes, you must not.
But I don't know what you're doing. It's your only brother.
How do you go?
Kamanda kasiga jamumu tirela bia jamumu.
Our new dancing uniform. Don't worry, do you want your So, my people, like I said before, this is our new uniform. Akwa so go do go do. Akwa by say. Crow.
Hey, my dear sister, this is so lovely. I must commend you for your initiative.
Oh yeah, no one.
Hey, the color is so super. I'm not going to know your daughter.
Were you not the one that was opposing my decision? Now you're telling me it's beautiful, it's colorful.
No, cars, please now. It's okay.
And maybe when we make another money, we'll buy another new set of films.
Yes, now. No problem. See, let me tell you. By the time Igwe and the villagers sees us on this beautiful costume, they'll be amazed though. You know the people I pity for all other groups that have been putting their eyes on our issues. And they see us like this. When they see us dressed like this, of course we kill all of them.
My dear sister, by the time that girl sees us tomorrow,
she knows that. Don't worry yourself now. I'm an Ifengo. I know what I see. You see all those other Achikote groups. By the time they see us like this, on this beautiful attire, with the swag and a concept now, charisma. I hope you all saw what I'm doing. So this is the shoe we'll be wearing. But because we don't have enough money, let me tell you the truth though. This is very expensive. 351. I'm telling you, I even added my money. So for now, the Ezege people will be wearing this. You can come with any other can you have, whether it's white, black, anything unique that you can dance comfortably on. Then later, when we make enough money, we will buy it in a way that everybody will have their food.
You've tried though. You've tried.
The leader!
Obiageli, I was on my way to your house. Where is that your stupid and useless daughter? Where is she?
How dare you use these harsh words on my daughter?
Harsh what? Harsh again? Obiageli, you are the first person that used harsh word on your daughter by naming her Dorcas. Dorcas over Hanuman. Look, she's not only stupid and useless, she is also devilish.
It is your daughter that is stupid, useless, and also devilish.
Obiageli, your daughter has the guts to lay her cursed hands on my own daughter. My only daughter is your Mebilia. Obiageli?
Which daughter? So, if they ask people that has daughters in this village to come out, you will join them. One Ike slippers. Shame on you and your daughter. I am even angry with my daughter that my daughter did not cut your daughter's side into pieces. Okay,
look, Obiageli, so you are the one that is behind your daughter's stupidity, eh? You have been the person behind her madness. No problem, I've heard you. But by the time I am through with your daughter, you will pick her broken bones in the gutter and bury them.
You cannot do anything because it's your useless daughter that made my son to beat his only sister. Now my son is in the police station, all because of that wish you kept as a daughter.
Your son in police cell.
You are asking me. Just look at you. Let me tell you, warn that your stupid daughter. Go and tell her, because I swear true to God, if I see her feet in my house again, you will come to my house to carry her corpse, because I'm going to cut her into pieces.
I say it! Obiageli, I say I cannot do anything! You want me to start preaching? Get away! Get it out the look where you know you are clean. People don't look who are saying you want to put you can't do anything. You can sleep out. You can't do anything. You cannot scare me with this. You can't scare me. You can't scare me. I beg you, don't get away you.
Again, my daughter will kill her. Will beat her partner.
Don't worry, the end will justify the means. Your daughter cannot do anything. She can't do anything. Don't worry about Shawo. Look at her.
Mama, don't even... There's no point asking me to release him because I won't. Let him stay there and pay for his sins. There's no point begging for his sake.
Onyemwam, please. Please. I can't believe that I, your mother, will be begging you for something. And you'll find it difficult to do.
Mama, beg me for any other thing on this earth. I'll do it for you. But don't beg me to release Brokos. He had the gut to lay his filthy hands on me. Let me show him how useless and stupid he has been. Let him stay there until he retraces his steps.
But he has stayed enough in the police station. You are even punishing me more by making me trek every day just to send food to him. Can't you see that?
I am sorry about that, but you're the one punishing yourself. You're not supposed to take food to him. Who asked you to take food to him now?
So, you want your brother to stay in the police station and die of hunger? Is that what you want? Mom, Dorcas, when did you grow heartless and so wicked over your own blood brother?
Mama, let him stay there.
But you have punished him enough. Can't you see that? Look, the elders were here today, demanding that you release him before Igwe gets to know about it.
The elders? What is their business with our family issue?
The truth, Mom, is that you have crossed the boundaries. You crossed Gokwa boundary. This one is no longer punishment. Because I don't want the Igwe to come here by himself. Because
Kamanda kasiga jamumu tirela bia jamumu makana dakasi biwe dakasi bago obi fele anazo onewi wago dakasi amarangane onewi wago dakasi nekwe kwere onewi wago ona chajoku selfish dakasi.
Hey, Nne, you are back. Welcome. How is he?
Mama, he's not doing well. He's not doing well at all. He's suffering too much. Hey! He's suffering too much, Mama. Too much.
Hey! Cosmos. Doka safa jokwara.
Hey! Mama! 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 Who took my MP3? Did you see it?
Mpeteko.
Madiko, what are you telling me? MP3 that I kept under my pillow. I can't find it anymore.
Here. Lebechi, I don't know what you're talking about. Are you sure you brought it back yesterday?
Mama, I brought it. What are you going to tell me? You just Amisi. Is it not only me and you in this house? Are you trying to tell me that the ghost of your grandmother went under my pillow to collect my MP3?
I didn't see anything.
Are you trying to tell me that Miss Woman, you are the one with my MP3 because give it to me, I'm not laughing with you. My brother is there for Mama Olubu and I'm not here. Forget. Lebechi, give me my MP3. You should not be alone. You should not be alone. Give me my MP3 because I'm not laughing with you. Give me my MP3. It's only me and you in this house. Are you trying to tell me that the ghost of your great grandmother came to this house and collected my MP3?
I'm talking about preparing this vitamin. They're talking about Mpeteko. What do you mean?
Take me, you know, MP3. Mata dishi here.
Lebechi, give me any time. Lebechi, give me any. Hey! Who won the piano? Lebechi!
You think I'm the only one that knows how to shout? Okay. Hey! Piano! Monsieur, you know MP3, Monsieur! You know MP3 because you think I'm joking with you.
Hey! Oh God. 2 weeks. 2 weeks have passed. And my Cosmos is still at the police cell. He's still inside that cell. I have to do something about it too. I don't know why it is taking Emenike forever to bring the money for the MP3 player.
Eh? It is obvious that nobody in this village is willing to buy this MP3 player more than 3,000 naira except him. Yet he's not even showing seriousness. What do I do? Hi! I have to bill my customer, so he has overstayed. Eh? Police sell Abonebo Bibi. Maybe I will just sell the MP3 player for 3,000 naira and then see if I can borrow the rest from Mama or do menial jobs to make it up. I really have to do something, honestly. As for Mwa Bodadokas, I pray she gets all she deserves.
This kind of lover I never see this kind of lover. This kind of lover This kind of lover. This kind of
Doctors! No, Mama, leave me. I am not pitied and let me just wonder. You've done your worst. No, you've done your worst. You have the guts to throw me into the police cell. No, you've done your worst, doctors. You've done your worst. What else can you do? Nothing? Huh? Nothing, absolutely nothing, because you have change. But can you change?
Hey! Let me tell you, I am not scared of you. You cannot do me anything. You can't do me anything. Nothing.
I will deal with you.
Oh, you want to beat me again? Oh, okay. Mama, leave me. Let him beat me. Because touch me. Weekend. Touch me.
Mama, did you hear that?
It's okay.
No, Mama, did you hear that?
It's okay.
She now threatens me, Cosmos, with the police. But I cannot do shishi. But I need this small money.
You should be ashamed of yourself. Why in the world of the little change? Your mates are out there hustling, trying to make money. Are you not ashamed of yourself? Go and make money. Go and make your own money.
It's exactly the same thing I'm saying. Money. It's money. Go and make your own money.
He cannot now.
Mama, the truth is, Biko, I wasn't expecting anything else from you. I knew you were going to support her. I knew it from the onset that you would support her. But now let me tell both of you. Stay away from me in this village. From this family to this village. Stay away from me. Especially stay away from my Lele. Stay away from Stay away from Lele. Stay away. Hey. I've told you. Okay.
Look at the nonsense that is coming out from your mouth. Because of a woman, you want to disown your family. Stay away from me. Stay away from my Lele. Tell your Lele to stay away from me, because if she looks for my trouble again, Unkuku another one. Oh, Diego. Rubbish. You should be grateful to the elders, so if not for their threat, you would have remained in that cell. Think you can touch me anyhow you want.
Okay.
No, Mama, I am still owing me. You got my 200 naira. You know what?
It's your elder
brother, my nyash. Give me a nebe na ruoru na enwete ego. Ke ulu oba.
Ozugo.
Give me to die. Leave me to die. Please don't die, please. We put a good in here and ECG. Mama, just allow me to die. Allow me to die. I'm useless. Look at my Cosmos. Cosim is in the cell suffering. Mama, you need to see him. He's suffering too much there. And I cannot do anything to help him. But what am I living for now? Please, but dying is not the best now. How do you think he's going to react to the news of your death? Please, maybe you don't love me, but please live for him. Mama, how can I live for somebody that I cannot do anything to help? Hey. How can I live for him? Hey. Look at the MP3 stuff that I wanted to sell and use the money to bail him. Now I cannot find the MP3. I don't even know who took it. In fact, please. Lebechi, please. I will get your MP. Come. MP, what did... MP3! I will bring it. Hey! Please. Ma! You took my MP3. Please, don't shout. So you're the one that stole my MP3? No. I didn't steal it though. I only took it. I thought you are going to continue with that nonsense. I never knew you have made up your mind to sell it. Please. In fact, I'm sorry. Let me go and get it for you, please. In fact, you're not saying the truth. Let me go and get it. Please. Until I see it. And if you don't do fast, before you come back, I will kill myself. No. Get out. MP, please. MP3. MP, please. I'm going to leave myself. Let me tell you, you were the one that took it. You are a thief. Mama shit. Najo? Hey! Oh! Ah! Nah, this Emenike is a stupid boy. I thought he said I should bring the MP3 and collect the money. And he's not around. Nah, what is all this? Maybe I should just go and give it to Izu and collect the 3,000 naira that he's pricing.
That was yesterday. You see, I decided to rest a while because of the unspeakable things they did to me there. And I said, let me come and see you today. I was actually on my way to your house, Lele.
Oh, thank God. Thank God that you're finally out of that dungeon. Oh. Hey! Thank God, oh! Hey! It is well. It is well. It is well. It is well.
No, you can't say that again, Lele. The truth here is, I am still yet to understand what my sister did to me. You see, what she did to me for my own sister to show me this type of wickedness tells me that blood is no barrier to a wicked heart. I thank God, though. I thank God I came out with my life.
Listen, you will surprise all of them. Do you hear me? You will surprise all of them. All those people that say that you're useless and that they see no future between us, God will surprise them.
See, Lele, what about your mother?
Well, she has been so worried because of you. So worried. But I'm very sure she'll be okay if she gets to know that you're out. See, what your sister did is something even myself. I will never wish it on an enemy. Lie. But, like I said, it will be well. It is okay. It is well.
You can say that again, Lele. Lele, where are you coming from? I hope you have not started doing pium.
Remember I told you that I will sell my MP3. And so I went to sell it to Emenike. But I'm surprised I didn't meet him, even though he was the one that said I should come.
You see, Lele, truth here is that There'll be no need for that again anymore.
Hey!
I've missed this West.
The West is all yours now.
I've missed it. Oh. Come, let us go and see your mother, okay?
Okay.
Let us go and see her.
Hey! God, I thank you.
I love you. I love
Mama, you have to take things easy. Biko, you have to take things easy, Mama. You have to take things easy, Mama.
How do you expect me to take things easy? When your father has not urinated for 3 good days now. And the urge for him to urinate is making him go mad.
Oh, Mama, I thought you collected some herbal mixture for him to be taking.
Yes, I did. But it's not working. It's as if the mixture even make it to go worse.
Okay, Mama. Please, let's take Papa to the hospital, please.
Hospital?
Please, Mama, let's take him to the hospital, Mama, please.
Which hospital? With which money? You know how bad things has been for us in this family. I don't know what to do.
Mama, like I said, you have to take things easy. I promise, Mama, if anything happens to Papa, I will take care of you, Mama, I promise. Mama, you've done your part. As a human, let's go sweet prevail, Mama, Mama, please. Mama, Mama, stop crying. Mama, please stop crying.
Hey! Hi!
Mama! Hey! You're here! I thought you'd be at home waiting for me.
Waiting for who? Why will I be waiting for you? When you have forgotten that son waits for nobody. Lebechi? I had to be on my own since I am used to your absence. Baba, good morning. Cosmos, you are welcome back. When did you come back? Baba, that was yesterday, but I decided to take a little rest before I come and see you people. Oh, Mama. Now, welcome. Oh, Mama, I heard what happened. Just bear it. Oh, the way you do go. It's okay, Baba. Hey, Baba, how is for work? My son. As you can see, I'm on it again. Just that your friend here is not helping me at all.
Mama, you complain too much. You complain too much. Okay, I've come. I'm here.
There. Stop abandoning work for Baba. Biko. Oh? Baba, you know what will happen now is you will go home and rest. Lele and I will finish the work. Oh?
You and who?
We'll continue from where you start.
Who is we? Please, this farm is too big. Oh. It's too big. Me, I cannot do anything here. It's too big.
Why are you complaining? After all, I have been the one weeding this farm single-handedly without complaining. Why do you complain now?
Because you are old generation. And old generation people use farm work as hobby. But we, the new generation, we have other things to do with our time. You know? Like MP3, laptop, iPads. You press, I press back. Fugia, Not to waste our time. Hunata na farm name nonsense. What's that?
I pray your generation will not die of starvation. You know?
Baba, in fact, give it to me. I said go home.
Okay, one.
Lele and I will finish the work. Biko. Biko, Baba. Let me take this one.
Look, Cosmos, she has stopped her ears. I hope she will not abandon the whole work for you to do when I am gone.
Baba, I said don't worry. Go home and rest. Huh? Go home and rest, Baba. Don't worry. Lele and I will.
You don't buy markets, so go and do the work. I did not get the farm. It's not me that negotiated for the farm work.
Lele, what are you doing?
You see?
My friend, will you come and join me here?
Hey!
Don't let me call you.
Hey! See, eh? Hey! Oh! Egu are the bad! If you listen to this one, you go. Hey! Hey! Opo! Ay! Opo! Ay! Ay!
wonderful. This is very wonderful. Dorcas, your costumes are beautiful. And I love it.
Thank you, Your Highness.
My elders, what do you say?
Your Highness, today's own is special.
Yes.
We are proud of them.
Yes.
They are very, very good.
Good. You have done a good thing by forming this dancing group. And I have no doubt in my mind that you are going to win any competition between you and any other dancing group from our neighboring villages.
Thank you so much, Your Highness. We are honored, Your Highness. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much. Don't tell me you're still sad over your brother's decision, Uncle Chike.
Why would Chike do this kind of thing to me? I can't believe that after everything I did for him, he will refuse me this one request of helping my son Cosmos.
Mama, what do you want him to do? Were you not there when he came back from Abang was begging Bro Cosmos to follow him back and he refused? Now you're asking him to do what is not possible.
So why is he finding it so difficult to forgive him? Knowing that Cosmos spoke out of the heart of a child.
Ha! You're the one that is causing all this problem. Oh. Did you just call Bro Cosmos a child? Somebody that is 3 years older than I am. You're calling him a child. I go out there, I hustle, I do this myself to make sure I make money on my own. But he's just in this village. Up and down. You're calling him a child. Okay, you want him to go and beg him? Why? Who is he?
But he is my brother. He ought to help Cosmos.
He has tried his best. Bro Cos does not want to help himself. And I'm not even blaming Uncle Chike for anything. It's entirely Bro Cos' fault. Why are you blaming him? His mates are out there hustling, doing something good for themselves. Why are you blaming the man?
Onyinye, instead of helping me to beg your uncle, so that he will see a way of taking Cosmos away from this village. No only brings shame and disgrace to us. He is bringing shame and disgrace to us.
Mama, the earlier you realize Bro Cos is not willing to change, the better for us. What have you not done for him to change? Yet he refused. He still wants to do the things he's doing. Mama, I cannot kill myself for him, and I advise you stop worrying yourself before you go Baramba.
He's my only son.
He's your only son. Mama, he's your only son. Do you know there are women out there without even one single son that looks healthier than you are? Tell me why a woman would want to kill herself untimely simply because she's worrying about her son's future. Mama, ha. Because go out and make money, no. Go to Aba, no. He doesn't want to do anything. He just wants to be following Lele. That's what he wants for himself. And you're here worrying yourself about it.
Baba, good morning. Baba, I don't have strength to go to the farm this morning.
We're not going to any farm. I came to you because I want to talk with you as a mother would to her son.
Cosmos,
all is well. I spoke with my brother Chike yesterday concerning his taking you to Aba. But he refused. Even though I know why he refused, maybe he wants to hear from you first. And so I'm like thinking, maybe you have to call him.
Mama, Biko, Mama. You went to see Uncle Chike on my behalf. And what was the conversation about? Abba? Mama, I am not interested in going to Abba. I'm not interested in it. Wait, let me tell you why. You see, in this village, there is this girl I love so much. I believe you know her name, Lelem. I cannot leave this village for any other place, Mama. This is where I want to be. This is where there's nothing for me out there, Mama.
Cosmos, my son, I have never knelt before you before.
Mama, what are you doing?
But I'm kneeling down. Please, my son, save me from this embarrassment. The whole village, they are almost mocking me. You need to see the kind of houses my fellow women are living at. The kind of mansion your intimates have built for their mothers. Biko one. Save my face.
Biko, if you want, what you want is a mansion. I will build you a mansion in God's appointed time. After all, it's written in the Bible that in His time He makes all things beautiful. So in His time, I will build you a mansion. You have some patience.
Cosmos, how do you intend to achieve that? Because you are getting older day by day, and it is only your sister Dorcas that is providing for the food we now eat in this house. You are not doing anything. And that girl, what's her name again? Lele, she's not good for you, Mom. Leave her alone. That stupid good for nothing girl. Why can't you just leave her? She's pulling you down, she's not your mate, and she does not fit you in anything. Goody.
Mama, you have chosen Dorcas as your son. Okay. I have swallowed that. Not only that, Mama, now you tell me to my face that the woman I love is useless, is stupid. This conversation is over.
Cosmos!
Hey! I gonna do anything for my lover. I gonna live for Nanyami for Chala. Obima, Nicola Chabalama, love more, because we're Bella Mangole, Abiotamduna, Monagigabi.
What's it? Hey! Hey, come. What do you mean by your back? What do you mean by that? Huh? My own friend, who can believe you can do a thing like this to me? Biko, who can believe?
Cosmos, hold it there. Hold it there. What did I do to you? What have I done to you?
Onyeka, what am I talking about? Why? Look at your face, Onyeka. No, look at your face. You're acting like you don't know what I'm talking about. Okay, Onyeka, who on earth? Not even who. Onyeka, I cannot believe that I will spend 2 weeks, 2 good weeks, 14 days in the police cell without you coming to pay me a visit. Not even to bring me a Baba Put. Who can believe? And you call yourself my friend.
You mean you were in the cell? Hey!
Huh? You don't care? My own friend, my own good friend. You don't care?
Kosi, I'm so sorry. Huh? Honestly, I never knew you were captured by the police. I never knew you were in the cell. I never knew you were captured by the police. I never knew.
I regret ever calling you my friend. I regret ever seeing you as a friend. I regret it. Biko!
If I'm stupid, I am not all that stupid. Please forgive me. Huh? Remember, we've come a long way as friends. Huh? Forgive me.
Where did you get this one? Where did you get this one? I need something like this for Lele.
You'll get it.
Huh? Where did you get this one? This way or this?
Just straight.
Straight.
Our usual spot.
Okay, I'll see you at home.
So happy to see you again. Finally, my friend is back.
Donkey!
Dorcas, how much is there?
How much is there?
1,000 naira.
That's the one. I just not my mistake. It's complete now.
Is that all?
Are you expecting more?
Am I expecting more? Dorcas, Igwe gave us 8,000 naira. And you're giving us 3,000 naira for meat. But Dorcas, it's not fair now. Dorcas, please, add 500 naira on top of this now. Add 500 naira. Not adding 500. No, let her share it equal.
It's not only money I will add. I will add pounds.
Dorcas, since we all perform together, can you not me here?
Dorcas.
Now because me say no, can you not me here?
Now Dorcas, let me tell you the truth. Adding 500 naira is
enough of all this rubbish. Stop it. See, let me tell you people, my rules are very simple. If you cannot keep to it as a leader, then you go. Inania, if you know you cannot keep to my rules as a leader of this group, then you get out of this group. Unanania, this is the last time I will say this, so I don't want anybody that will get me angry.
Meaning what? Meaning what? Can I do? Can you help?
Uju. Okay, man, not taking.
Meaning what?
Okay, man, not taking that. Okay,
meaning
okay,
what?
See, let me tell you, I will not give you chance to insult me. If you insult me any further, I will chase you away from this.
You cannot do that. Dorcas, you cannot do that.
Doki, take it easy, please.
No!
1,000 naira or 2,000 naira or 500 naira.
Can you not want me here?
No, he has to bring. No! He has to bring problem because this guy wants to.
Amara, leave her shot for all I care. All I'm telling her is that she should complete this money. Hence, we all have agreed. So adding money to it is not a bad idea. Can you help? What are you telling me?
See, let me tell you. See this 1,000. That's the least I can give to you. Open or drug my hug transformer. Now get out. Get out! I don't want to see you anywhere close to this group.
Me, Uju, get out.
See,
see, Dorcas, I am not going anywhere. You have no right. See, let me tell you. Wait. We formed this group together.
Because I have the right. I am the leader. I own this group.
This kind of game, everything will be shared equal. Do you understand? Says I.
Run your mouth! Do you know what it takes to open a group? When my stamina create a concept. So they might. Because you know how it does. Can you let me tell you? Yes, I can. Yes, I can do one man show. I don't need you. This is what that moves me. If you don't like it, see. Complete this man will not stand out. It's okay. It's okay. Who are you? Can you dance for me? Yes, I can dance. I can dance only me on them. You know, Bemaka one man show. You know, Bemaka one man show. You think I need you? I don't need you. You need me more than I do. This is my group. If you don't want to have this money, nonsense. See, let me tell you. Go and talk to her. If she doesn't bring an apology letter first thing tomorrow morning to my house, I'll deal with her. Go and call your Kwabiko. Rubbish. Don't give me that crap. If you don't. You know me now. You know me. Go on now. Hey, she wants. What are you telling me? Who are you? Who are you? What do you think she will do? Who are you?
Calm down. Go and write an apology letter.
Which apology? Go. Just to apologize, so if you don't, I'll not take you back home.
Not too much.
What is my
Onye sị ka abụrụ gịnị? Ikirikiri ka na-agbụkwa ose adịghị arị elu. Nwata sị ka o bulie na elu ọma mpụtụ. Agụ ike, o ruola ka o si eru. Woman, what brought you to my abode?
The charm you gave me did not work.
Enough! How dare you condemn a charm given to you by Ikogwe, the gods of our land? Don't you know that any charm given to you from this shrine works powerfully? Unless something wrong happens somewhere.
But nothing happened. I did exactly as you commanded, with the hope of seeing my son hating that girl. But he ended up loving her the more.
That's very embarrassing.
Yes, to say the least. It is very embarrassing, wise one. Very, very embarrassing. Because me, I don't understand it.
Woman, how are they about saying her name? What is the name of your son?
I found one for Cosmos.
Cosmos. Cosmos. Cosmos. I can see that. Ibon. Woman, there is something wrong somewhere. There are many forces following your son.
I know it. I know it's that good for nothing girl that is following him about. That useless girl that is chasing my son everywhere. I know it's her.
That girl is evil. Sacrifice. I need to perform 7-day sacrifice to the gods so as to steer his mind off that girl.
Chapao, another sacrifice?
I believe you hear me mention many forces. Or you don't want to save your son.
But what happened to those sacrifices I made earlier? The ones we did before, what happened to them now?
I believe you want to save your son. You can now go.
Chego the wise one. Making another sacrifice mean another money.
Woman, you can now go. You can now leave. You can now leave.
Oyeka, where are you running to? It's me now, Ebuka. Huh? It's me, Ebuka. Ebuka. Hey, boss. Hey! Hey! Ebuka, so this is you? Oyeka, it's me now. Check me out. This is you. Check me out. Huh? You're welcome, my brother. You're welcome. Merci beaucoup.
Sigene.
Merci beaucoup.
Where have you been all this while?
Oh, I've been to one of the French-speaking countries in Africa. Huh? Congo, Brazzaville.
Huh? Congo! Huh? So you mean you've crossed this country to another country?
Wait, what are you saying? I've been to Abidjan, Ghana, Togo, then Congo, where I'm doing my business presently now.
Okay, that's good. You're welcome once again. You're welcome.
So, Sava Mumbana me.
Mbana, what did you say? Sorry, I don't understand that one.
What did you say? Hey, I'm very sorry. I thought I'm Congo.
Okay.
I thought I'm in Congo. What I mean is that, how are you feeling, my brother?
You've seen what village life has turned me into. A mere fisherman. A mere fisherman.
Oyeka, just calm down. Everything will be okay, okay?
Okay.
So, what of Cosmos?
Cosmos is there. He's there.
You know what's going to happen, Later, you guys should come to the house. Okay. I want to go to the house and have a little rest, okay?
Okay.
Just try and come, okay?
We'll do just that. No. No, my brother. Oyibo life is good indeed. Even Onika.
What have I done to deserve this? Why is everything stagnant in my life? My mother sees me as a failure. Cosmos is not getting enough money from his fishing business. Everybody sees Lebechi as a useless and lazy girl. God, I can only complain to you because I don't have anybody else. Please, help me. Help Cosmos to make it in life so that he can marry me. The suffering and shame is too much. You gave me this singing talent, I thought it would lead me to greatness. But it's obvious I was wrong. I think I should just forget about this dream of becoming a musician. Because I don't think it will work. Maybe I should find something else to do. Hi, my God, I am tired. I am tired.
This kind of love, I never see. This kind of love, 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 Aguadalina, honey, I go do anything for my lover. I got me belly for Nanyami for Chala. Obima, you go let your baloma. Love more, because my belly mangoli. Abio Tambuna, Mona Gigabi. My joy is that we can live together like husband and wife till eternity. Oh, baby, this kind of love, this kind of love, this kind of love, this kind of love, Aguadalina, honey, hey, alele, because I put on no love more. If I am somewhere more, hey, alele, because I put on no love more. If I am the mama, if I am not some more, if I am the mama, Asamugama. Oh yeah, anyway, mama, anyway, oh Nanya, oh yeah, my love. Oh yeah, anyway, mama, anyway, oh Nanya, oh yeah, my love. This kind of love, this kind of love, this kind of love. This kind of love, this kind of love,